She wasn't the type to hurt people. She forgave easily. She loved deeply. She prayed sincerely. So why was she the one crying at 2 a.m.? Why does it feel like the softer your heart is, the harder life hits you? If you've ever asked that question, don't skip this story. She noticed something over the years. Every time she loved sincerely, she was left. Every time she trusted fully, she was disappointed. Every time she chose patience, she was tested. Meanwhile, she watched people who lied, hurt others, and ignored Allah living peacefully, smiling, winning, moving forward. And a dangerous thought entered her heart. Ya Allah, why do good hearts suffer more? One night, she stopped pretending to be strong. She made wudu with shaking hands, prayed 2 rak'ah, and in sujood she whispered, "If being soft means being broken, why did you make me like this?" That question wasn't rebellion. It was exhaustion. Here's what she didn't realize. The Prophet ﷺ was the purest heart to walk this earth, and he suffered more than anyone. He was mocked, rejected, hurt, tested. Not because Allah disliked him, but because Allah loved him deeply. There is a hadith. The people most severely tested are the prophets, then those nearest to them. Suffering is not a sign of rejection. Sometimes it's a sign of elevation. Good hearts suffer more because they love more sincerely. They forgive more often. They give without calculation. They feel everything intensely. And Allah refines what He intends to elevate. Gold is purified in fire. Weak metal breaks. Strong metal is strengthened. She wasn't breaking. She was being refined. Something changed inside her. Not her situation, her understanding. She realized, maybe Allah allows her heart to hurt so it never becomes hard. Maybe the pain protects her from becoming cruel. Maybe her softness isn't weakness. Maybe it's amana. And suddenly, her tears didn't feel pointless. They felt witnessed. Allah says, "Indeed, Allah is with the patient." Notice He doesn't say He is with the comfortable. Good hearts suffer more because they are closer to Allah. And closeness comes with purification, not punishment. You are not suffering because you are weak. You are suffering because Allah sees potential in you. If your heart feels heavy, if you've been kind and still hurt, if you stayed loyal and were still left, listen carefully. Your softness is not your curse. It is your rank. And Allah never wastes the tears of a sincere heart. If this felt personal, subscribe for reminders that heal the heart. And if you want Allah to replace your pain with something better, share this video as Sadaqah Jariyah, because when you comfort another broken heart, Allah comforts yours.